Hi, Bean Beauties, Dita Bean here. How you doing today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have two, count them, two boxes to unbox from Friends Mail. None other than Yota from Yota Style. Yes, she sent me a birthday present. Can you believe it? So I am opening it up today and hopefully can get this out to you real quick, and that way I can thank her properly. So if you are excited to find out what I got from Yota Style, come back. Welcome back. Are you as excited as I am? Oh my goodness, I was excited, surprised. I'm in wonder. And Yota, thank you so much. You did not have to send me anything, and I love it already, and I haven't even opened it. We're gonna start with this little one. This little one arrived first. She sent me a text and she said, "Hey, you're getting a birthday shipment," but they separated into two shipments. And I said, "Well, I'm want to do an unboxing. Is it okay if I wait?" She said, "Sure, no problem." And then this one came in, and I texted her and said, "What did you do?" And she said, "No, it's not much." She said, "Nordstrom's always packages crazy, so I'm like, "Okay, well, I love it before you even gave it to me because you thought enough about sending it my way." So this is what this one looks like. I'll take this out and let's see. They wrapped it up really well, whatever it is. Let me put this over here. I'm on a very small table. I'm on the other side of my studio. Y'all probably haven't seen this side. I'll talk about it a little bit later at the end of the unboxing, okay? Ah, yay! Hot Lips. Ooh, that reminds me of MASH. Did any of y'all watch MASH? Hot Lips Houlihan. Houlihan? Oh, wow. Matte Revolution Hot Lips. This is what the box looks like. Oh, look at that. It's a lipstick. Oh, it's Charlotte Tilbury. Do you know I do not have anything from Charlotte Tilbury? No, I'm lying. I do have a blush, and I actually like that. I like that one, but I don't have any lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury or any mascara or anything like that. Just that blush. And I only had that. Somebody gave that to me. All right. It's a beautiful case. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, I love it. And it has, a CT? Is that a CT on there? I don't know how the lighting's going to be doing over here, y'all. Oh, wow, look at that color. Oh, my gosh, that is a beautiful color. Let's see. It says Karina's Love, y'all. Karina's Love. Nice. It's a beautiful color. I hope y'all can see it. Let me pull it back here. Put it here. Oh, I wish I didn't have lipstick on. I put some on. But I will try to do a picture, insert a picture or something with me wearing this. I could just take this lipstick off really quick that I have on and put that on. Thank you. I really like this one. And my first Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Let's see what's in this big hunker. Ooh, so I wonder if is it going to be a makeup theme? That would be exciting. Okay, y'all put down in the description box what you think it could be. A makeup thing. Yota. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ooh, lots of pet. Ooh. It smells interesting. Look, they bundle it up really good. I wonder if it's breakable. Hold on. I'll fast forward through all of this. It's a box in a box. It's a box within a box. So I wonder if they had to get it from a different store and then sent it over my way. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think it's a candle, y'all. It is a candle, and it smells scrumptious. Oh my goodness. It smells absolutely delicious. It's called Capri Blue Volcano. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's a beautiful, beautiful jar. They even had the lid. Okay. So here's what it looks like with the lid. I'm trying to get it to where it is. It smells delicious. I wonder what it is. It doesn't have. Oh, I don't have glasses. Hold on, let me pause it and see if I can get more information about this because it smells great. When I opened that box, I was like, I smell something. So hold on. This is called, the brand name is Capri Blue. And the name of the candle is Volcano. And then it says 06 on there. So far, I haven't figured out if the 06 means something. And the scent, no wonder I like it. It smells of the tropics. Volcano, with its signature silhouette and dynamic cobalt blue look. This Capri Blue classic speaks to its history as a cult favorite. Volcano is an energizing blend of exotic citrus and sugary notes. Feeling like you're in a scented paradise doesn't have to include flying miles away. Fill your space with the enchanting and tropical scent of the unforgettable, iconic volcano candle. Oh my gosh. Let me see. It says burn time up to like 85 hours. The vessel says experience iconic volcano candle that started it all. This unmistakable Capri Blue silhouette paired with the signature cobalt blue creates a bold statement that has become a staple for this cult classic. I have never heard of this before. You just get a whiff. Oh my gosh, y'all. This, highly recommend. I haven't even burned it yet. And it smells fabulous. I was trying to see, like, it didn't really have any other notes that it's saying except for the exotic citrus. So it's, different kinds of citruses. And I can, oh, look, I have my charm there. I don't know if I have my charm there. It is, wow. And I got that from the website. It took me to the website. They have all kinds of, the Capri Blue website. They have all kinds of stuff. Wow, I love learning about a new thing. Okay, let me see if I can search the lipstick as well too. Okay, I'll put up a better picture of the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and it is. I was trying to find the notes. It's a lipstick created that gives lips a full body, ultra beautiful look to leave a lasting impression. What it does, its formula is enriched with a secret antioxidant from the lipstick tree, a blend of special waxes and clever light diffusing pigments. Hot Lips shades are available in 2 different formulas. Kissing, Kissing, but a period in between each of them, so it must be an anagram for something. Lipsticks leaves lips cashmere soft and irresistible. And Matte Revolution features a matte finish and 3D glow pigments to help make lips appear wider and fuller. Ooh, is that your secret, Yota? Is that your secret? Kissing lipsticks shades are Kim K.W., Live It Up, Hot Emily. And the mattes are Super Cindy, Secret Salma, Tell Laura, Bosworth's Beauties, Karina's Love, Miranda May, Kidman's Kiss, Hell's Bells, Electric Poppy. I wonder if she names them all after celebrities, because isn't she a celebrity makeup artist? Very cool. I'm impressed. See, I knew it had to be something fancy if it comes from Miss Yota Style. I love it. Yota, you are beyond kind. Thank you so much. Oh, I cannot get over this. And this is such a beautiful, my first Charlotte Tilbury and my first Capri. over this. Look at that. Look at how that looks against here. Wow. It's a deep, deep red. Kind of, it's probably, I wonder what it's going to, oh, here, let me put it on my hand. Wow, it's pulling, what does it look like in there? It pulls a little bit more on the burgundy side, maybe, a little bit on the deeper red. You know, reds have, they put all kinds of stuff in reds, and they can pull different, you know, they pull pink, they pull brown, they pull, um, you know, more deeper red. They pull all different kinds, This is really pretty. Look at that, really pretty. I can't wait to use this. It's kind of pulls a wine raspberry red is kind of what I'm seeing. You know, more like on the burgundy side, but that wine raspberry, that deep one. Love it, love it. I'm gonna insert pictures. Okay, I'm gonna take this off real quick. All right. Wait for the pictures, and then thank you so much for spending time with me. Thank you, Yota, so much for my gift. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Okay, I said I would explain a little bit about this side of the room. This is totally like unfinished side of the room, but I thought I'd go ahead and share it. I'm working on this side, so that's the things that kind of go here, and I'm trying to put up are all on the other side of the room. So this is the only place that it has a chair and has an area, a small little area that I can record. So I normally this was full with a bunch of boxes. This shelf right here from top to bottom was full of all the boxes, and then from here down had lots of boxes, and that's where I was keeping my boxes. You know, when y'all saw me do boxes, and I was having my marathons, and I would come across and grab them all over here. So all of those bags that I have been unboxing, I've been putting over here. They're not categorized yet, but they're here except for my Doonies, and up here are my satchels. They go here, and I'm probably want to do this whole side area here to be satchels, my Dooney satchels. I have a couple more, some that aren't there's called Dooney calls everything a satchel, but they're like sort of close to this silhouette, but some of them have little pockets on the side and things like that. So I want to kind of put them all together. This is also where my shoes live. This little shelf here is my shoes. You can see like one here and one there. And that's what when I come in that way, when I come in the door's right over here. I come in and I can, grab my shoes really easy without having to come into the rest of the studio. So here, if I'm gonna try to cut it down in the video so you don't see all the mess and it'd be distracting. But here is just a container that I got from Amazon that I can put bags in just temporarily until I can get things curated. And I'm in the process of it. I think we pretty much I have opened up all the back stock. I'm looking to see if there's some, because I know there's one or two bags that I'm still looking for that I don't believe I've opened yet. Was specifically I had been looking for, and I haven't come across those yet. But so I need to get to that area and that I have in the living room or in the other room that I got to get to. So, but we're on this side. That's why, because I'm working on my studio. I'm working on curating my closet. I'm working on trying to put things on, in shelves and things like that. It's a long time coming. It's a long time coming. My small and few and mighty of my members, they have seen this room in chaos and have seen my house in chaos. If you would like any kind of extra content, that's where you'll find it. Everything on this channel, everything here is free. So all there's no paying here or anything, free. If you want to join us over on my membership, there's a little fee for that as well too, if you like to join. But you get some embarrassing things. Alrighty, thank you for hanging out with me, and thank you so much, Yota, again for for sending me the gift. I absolutely positively love it. So excited. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Love y'all.